Honestly, I don't even know where I was going with that, but hey guys, this is Kenzi. So today I'm going to be doing my eyebrow routine. Some people have asked me about it, so I'm gonna do a video about it. Honestly, I don't even know where I was going with that, but I have thick eyebrows. I don't like draw them on or anything like that. I don't really know how to draw on eyebrows anyways, but I have really thick eyebrows. So before I start, I am not an eyebrow expert. This is just what I do and what I've been doing and what has been cool for me. I'm gonna just tell y'all the products I use from the get-go. First, I have like some of these little spoolie thingies because I'm gonna be brushing my eyebrows up. I also have some Vaseline. I use oil sometimes, but I usually use Vaseline because it like sticks, you know? I also have some eyebrow razors. And I have, this is like a little makeup thing, but there's a good tweezer in it. I have this thing, which has like clippers and tweezers in it as well. That's all I use for my eyebrows. Let's get started. Using my new mirror that I showed y'all. It's kind of dirty, so sorry, but first thing that I'm going to do is take the Vaseline. I'm basically gonna take like a little chunk and I'm going to put it on my eyebrow. And yes, this is the way I do it, okay? This is just the way I do it until I can go to somebody. So then I take my spoolie thing and I just brush my eyebrows up. Now they look all fiery and ferocious. After I do that, I take my little clipper thingies. I just clean up the outside. I don't really know how else to explain that, but I'm just going to take like the extra long hairs that look crazy and messing up my style and clip that off. Wipe it again another time. There's low-key a lot of wiping just to see if you got everything, because like after I wiped, this isn't looking clean cut. I look crazy. Anyways, after I do that, I'm going to take my little shaver. I'm going to begin to get rid of the little fleur babies around here and right here. Gotta be gentle, you don't want to mess up your eyebrow, but I have a lot of like extra hair everywhere, honestly, but I always have. But you're just gonna like trim it up a little bit. You just want to like get rid of the hairs that you would have to pluck if you don't like to pluck, because sometimes plucking gets really annoying. And now that I pretty much did the top part for as much as I'm gonna do for now, I'm gonna clear up the bottom part with all these like fleur babies on them. After brushing this up a couple times, I think that it looks decent. Now I'm going to take my tweezers and go in the little, you know, like tiny parts that I can't really just get with a big razor. Don't mind me looking at my eyebrow like this because it's the ×10 and I don't want to be like this on this mirror because that's weird. That hair was being so stubborn. I was getting angry. Usually I have like a little paper towel or another towel or something, but right now I don't. So this is the eyebrow I did. It's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. Now for this eyebrow, take my dot, spread it up. Ooh, honey, this one looks like Wolverine, child. Gonna brush it up. We're gonna take our scissors and basically line it up. since that's accomplished, we're gonna take our razor again and we're just going to clean up the outside. Top part looking decent or whatever. Once that is done, again, we gonna brush. Last but not least, I'm going to take my tiny mirror and my tweezers and go in on the like spots I couldn't get with the bigger stuff. I don't know why I keep shaking. I can't. All right, now after 50 years of doing that, I'm gonna take another tissue and wipe my eyebrow. These is the brows nows. Anyways, no, this is my finished little eyebrow look. Super easy. It's how I do it. Real simple, just what I do at least till I like can get them done or whatever. But even then, like, this will do, you know. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know, update. I'm still gonna be having college videos come out. I'm still gonna be having like my hair videos and lifestyle and all that coming out. One for real that I have coming soon are the mini hair twists, okay? Like I didn't forget about that. Some people have asked me about that and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do it. And I am gonna do it, like I promise you I'm gonna do it. I've just been trying to schedule things in a certain way and like do things a certain way. But trust me, honey, I'm gonna do it because I'm tired of doing my hair anyways, and I'm definitely about to do it. Like, I'm gonna do it. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna have it for you. It might even just be the next video, honey. I don't even know. It may be the next video. But you will see a mini hair twist tutorial from me soon, for real. So that is all I have for y'all today, though. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.